Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Once you've learnt to skate forwards, it's time to try skating backwards. It can feel strange at first, as you can't see where you're going, and we're not used to moving backwards at speed.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Stand on the centre of your skates with your toes together, heels apart and arms in front of your body. Step 2. Bend your knees and lift and transfer your body weight onto one foot and take it back about 12 centimetres. Step 3. Replace your foot on the ice with your toes pointing inwards. Step 4. Repeat with the other foot, always on the inside edge. Step 5. Repeat with each foot until you begin to glide backwards.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Stand towards the front of your blades. Once you've mastered backward skating, you can try extending your foot in front of you after every push. This is called backward stroking. Don't lean forwards or backwards.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Keep your toes together. Bend your knees and transfer your weight. Take your foot back about 12 centimetres. Stay on the inside edges. Repeat with each foot until you begin to glide.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.